Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox mobile camera glitch step by step. This issue can be really annoying while playing games on your phone, but don't worry, there are a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem. Let's get started. First, open Roblox on your mobile device and join any game. You can select any random game because the fix works the same for all of them. Once the game loads, tap the Roblox icon located at the top left corner of the screen and open the Settings menu. From there, look for the Camera Mode option and make sure it is set to Classic. This is important because other camera modes can sometimes cause camera glitches on mobile devices. After changing the camera mode, completely close the Roblox app. Now, open your phone's settings. If you are using an Android device, search for Roblox in the Settings menu and open it. Tap on Storage, then clear the cache and clear the data. This helps remove any corrupted files that might be causing the camera issue. If you're using an iPhone, go to iPhone Storage, select Roblox, tap on Offload App, and then reinstall it from the App Store. Once you're done, open Roblox again and join a game to check if the camera is working properly. In most cases, the camera glitch should now be fixed and you should be able to play normally without any issues. So that's how you can fix the Roblox mobile camera glitch easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Roblox tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.